Why are artificial intelligence tools pivotal in today's world? The answer lies in the remarkable capabilities these tools offer, from automating mundane tasks to predicting consumer behavior and even diagnosing diseases. They are revolutionizing numerous sectors, including but not limited to healthcare, finance, and marketing. So here we go, presenting the top 5 AI tools that are making a significant impact in the world today. First up is TensorFlow. An open-source library created by the Google Brain team, TensorFlow is a favorite among developers and researchers alike. It enables easy design, training, and deployment of machine learning models. It stands out due to its flexible architecture, allowing for computation across multiple platforms, be it a desktop, server, or mobile device. TensorFlow also supports a wide array of machine learning and deep learning models. Next in line is IBM Watson. This AI platform uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze, learn, and implement knowledge. IBM Watson excels in natural language processing, understanding human speech in a way that is contextually and grammatically accurate. From customer service bots to advanced research, IBM Watson is a powerful tool for any business seeking to leverage AI. Our third contender is AutoML, short for Automated Machine Learning. This tool focuses on automating the end-to-end process of applying machine learning to real-world problems. It simplifies the process of building machine learning models for developers with limited experience in the field. AutoML is perfect for those looking to navigate the complex world of machine learning without a deep technical background. Coming up next is H2O AI. This open-source software for data analysis is built around machine learning algorithms. It allows users to conduct exploratory data analysis, model estimation, and model evaluation with ease. H2O AI is particularly appreciated for its user-friendly interface and robust capabilities in data analysis and predictive modeling. Last but not least is OpenAI, a research organization committed to ensuring artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. OpenAI's tools and models are at the forefront of AI innovation. GPT-3, one of their most renowned models, showcases the power of AI in understanding and generating human-like text. OpenAI is truly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. In conclusion, these top 5 AI tools, TensorFlow, IBM Watson, AutoML, H2O AI, and OpenAI, are shaping the future of technology. Each has its unique strengths, from TensorFlow's flexible architecture to IBM Watson's prowess in natural language processing, AutoML's user-friendly approach, H2O AI's robust data analysis capabilities, and OpenAI's groundbreaking research. These AI tools are not just changing the way businesses operate, they're transforming the world as we